Hey guys, today I'm gonna be sharing my Sephora haul. As you guys know, the Sephora sale just recently ended and your girl had to pick up, I was gonna say a few items, but there is way more than a few items. I'm gonna have everything listed and linked for you down below in the description. Some things I think are sold out just because of how epic the sale was, so definitely keep an eye out if you're interested in any of these items, or press the notify me button just so you guys can get notified when they do go back in stock. Honestly, I have not shopped Sephora like this in quite a while, so it was a little treat for myself. I did try to take full advantage of the sale, and I feel like this is the only time where I can justify spending a decent amount of money in Sephora. The sale happens twice a year, so I'm not really sure why now all of a sudden Bree's going wild in Sephora, but here we are. So the first item I picked up, which I was drooling over basically when I saw it launch on Instagram, is the new Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. This is stunning. I was so shocked that I was able to get my hands on it. I scooped this up real fast. I'm obsessed with all his products, and this palette literally screamed my name. I am so in love with it. If you've been watching me, you guys know I don't wear a ton of eyeshadow anymore. Honestly, I don't put too much. I love a nice matte eye. I love a nice little glitz on the eye. Today I actually do have it on and I have a little bit, but I don't go super crazy anymore. And this is just the perfect palette for me, I think. It has the most perfect amount of mattes and the most perfect amount of shimmers. So these two right here are more of the glitter tones. Oh my goodness, super, super pigmented. I'm so scared to drop this palette because I know I won't be able to get my hands on it. They're like a loose glitter, loose pigment with a little bit of sheen to it, a little bit of shimmer. These matte tones are literally everything. I love a neutrals palette. I know I have so many neutral palettes, but this is just one that I needed. Had my eye on this the second it dropped, literally 25 seconds after Mario posted it. I was like, okay, I need that. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to get my hands on this. Next thing I picked up is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush 3-piece set. I think it is so absolutely stunning. I've never tried any of her liquid blushes. You get 3 blushes, 1 is full size and then 2 are mini. And I believe there's an exclusive color in here as well. So let me take it out to show you. This is just gonna be one of my favorites. It's the shade Encourage. Beautiful tone. I've heard so many good things on these blushes, so I'm really, really excited to try it out. I heard that it has so much pigment. It also has 2 baby ones in there as well. I thought this was a really good deal. It was around $20, I believe. Whenever you can get your hands on it, run to Sephora because I think this is such a good deal. You can keep one for yourself, gift the rest, gift the whole thing. Whatever you want to do, divvy it up. I think it's gorgeous. So then I got 3 products from Charlotte Tilbury, and every single one of them, I have no regrets and I'm obsessed with them. I love them, cannot wait to start using them. The first one is going to be this palette right here, which is the Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. You guys, it is stunning. It was even more stunning in person, in store. So it has blush, highlighter, and you can use it for the eyes, cheeks, and the whole face, which is stunning. The packaging, you guys, this is such a stunning packaging. Look at that. It is so sickening. I love it. Basically has a soft blush, a super glow, and then a multi-glow, and then another super blush. Hello. Everything about this from detail to product I think is awesome. It's a little bit pricey, so I figured during the sale it was the perfect time to splurge and pick it up. And I just love that you get the 4 shades in here. It is super, super pretty. They do have 2 shade options, fair to medium, and then there's another one as well. So love that. I honestly think this was so worth it and cannot wait to wear this. I picked up another lip product, and this is from Charlotte Tilbury as well. The Lip Cheat Lip Liner in the shade Foxy Brown. I don't own this one. I have the Iconic Nude, of course. That is my favorite nude lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. So this one is more of the chocolatey brown color, and it's just a little bit on the deeper side. I thought it would be perfect for winter, and this is it swatched. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's just your perfect brown shade. Just can't go wrong. I'm excited to use this. I feel like it's gonna pair really nicely with a lot of my nude lipsticks, of course. I was actually gonna get another Iconic Nude, but then I was like, let's stop for a second. Let's not get that and try out something new. I did in fact pick up the Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. You guys, I've been wanting this and eyeing it for a very long time. And I just always felt like my drugstore powders that I use were perfect, and they honestly set the makeup and look great on my skin, so why splurge and get it? But I needed it, so here it is. I'm very excited. Shade 2 medium, and I was gonna go in with the shade light or something, or fair. Thought it was a tad bit too light, so I did go in with this one, and I'm excited to try it out. Did tap my finger in it, so there are a little bit of smudgies on it, but I love the packaging, and I think this is gonna be my new favorite powder, aside from my loose setting powders. But face powder in general, I think it's gonna be one of my new faves. So really excited to use this. Next up, another gift set. This one is the Charlotte Tilbury Dream Superstar Glow Kit. Are you kidding? These are always like sold out, so hard to get. They are not full size, but honestly, I think that's so worth it. You get the blush, you get the highlighter. I could not leave Sephora without putting in my basket. This is such a good deal. Perfect for a gift idea, perfect for purchasing for yourself and giving one away. For a makeup artist, keeping them in your kit. Just thought this deal was incredible. Next thing I picked up is an item from One Size, and this is the On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. They were running a deal where they had 2 full-size cans in the pack. So it was like a little gift set for, I want to say like $35 or $39. But for me personally, I wanted to try it out first. I love the Charlotte Tilbury one, so I just wanted to try this one out. I've not tried anything from the brand, so I'm really excited to try it out. I've heard nothing but good things. It's supposed to literally keep your makeup locked in place, like not moving, not going anywhere for all day. It's also infused with texture solving ingredients. Love the sound of that. There's green tea extract, and it's waterproof, smudge proof, and all of that jazz. So I'm super excited to try this out. Probably should have gotten the value pack of the 2 full size for the deal, but it's okay. I feel like I'm not gonna go through it that often, so I still wanted to try it out. Okay, next up, I was super excited about this purchase. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I've been wanting this for such a long time, and I always just said to myself, yet next time where you don't need another one, put it down. I'm so excited that I picked it up. So I picked it up in the shade 2.5N or 2.5N. So I'm really hoping that this does match me. I've heard amazing things on it, obviously, so super stoked to try that out. And I feel like now is like the perfect time to splurge on it just because of the 20% that I had. It's supposed to be like a really nice glowy foundation. I also picked up my favorite cotton pads. These are the Shiseido Facial Cotton. I love these. I honestly get them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls all the time, but I could not find them this time around. So I had to get them at Sephora because I can get them for about $7 at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, same exact package. I'm not sure how and I'm not sure why, but I usually get it there. I could not find it for the life of me last week, so I definitely wanted to stock up while I could. Really love these. I use my toner on them. I use it every single night and every single morning, and it just makes my skin feel so good. I've tried other ones, especially from drugstore, because that's what I used to use, and it's just something about the texture of them leaves my skin feeling like rough. I don't know how else to explain it. It just doesn't feel good on my skin. These are super soft and soothing on my skin. If you're looking for a new cotton pad, definitely recommend these, but get them at Marshalls or TJ Maxx. The Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff. I'm so excited for this. Similar to my Laura Mercier one, it's just a powder puff like so, but it is shaped more like the Beauty Blender shape, so it's more like an egg shape, and it'll fit perfect under my eye, so I'm super, super excited about this. And I've been wanting to try this for such a long time, so love, love, love. Really excited to use this. You'll be seeing this a ton. Next, I picked up the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. This is a lip balm, and I got it in the shade Nude Glow. I honestly think this is gonna be one of my favorite lip products for winter. I don't know why. It just gives you that moisture, gives you that plumpness, it gives you that high shine look to the lips, but it's not a super heavy like lip gloss or lip product. It's just like a really soothing lip balm, but also has that high shine of a lip gloss without feeling like heavy or sticky or anything like that, which I love. I do have another one over there, which is called Mauve Glow. It's one of my favorite ones, but the Nude Glow one just looks incredible. Like everything about this, I was just like, yes, I need that. I did already try it out, so there's a little bit of residue on there. The perfect light beige shade, and I feel like it's gonna be amazing over top of any lip liner. Of course, I had to get another nude lip color, I know, but I needed it. You can wear it alone with a lip liner, with a lipstick underneath it, a little bit of a hint of a glow. It's gorgeous. It actually plumps the lips and feels really good. This product I'm super excited about. This is the Refi Brow Sculpt. I've never tried anything from the brand Refi before. The creator of this brand, I believe her name is Jess. If I'm wrong, I will leave it right here. She is absolutely stunning, and I love the way her brows look. So I was like, you know what? Let me finally just get the brow product that she literally raves about. This is the Brow Sculpt in the shade Clear. It's kind of like that white conditioner type of brow product. It does dry clear, I'm assuming. And then the top, yep, the top has the little comb right over here, which looks so intriguing to me and so interesting. I love that. Bristles and then the little comb section right there. So I really am excited to try this out. I've heard nothing but great things on the whole brand. I really want to try their face primer as well, which I should have picked up, but it was sold out. So I should go back and get that as well. Really interested in seeing how this was going to work out. I'm gonna wait because I'm scared it's gonna be like white on my eyebrows, but I think it's gonna dry clear. So really wanted to try this brand for quite some time. So I also went ahead and picked up the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is also a clear brow gel as well. This is just the mini size of the brow setter. I honestly have tried this years ago and I did like it, but I also really have fallen in love with other brow products and other brow gels over the years, so I just wanted to pick it up and try it out again. I do really like the applicator on this one as well. The wand and the bristles on it is really like unique, so I'm excited to try this out again. I went ahead and picked up the Makeup by Mario lip kit, which is the lip lift kit. This is in the shade Mauve Glow, so you get the lipstick shade Erin and then the lip liner in Smoky Pink. So really excited to use that. I thought that was a really good deal. I guess you would say they're more of like the travel size, but I feel like this is really great if I need to put it into like a little purse that doesn't fit much. Also, I think this is a great little gift as well. So if you can get your hands on it, would highly recommend. Love, love, love his products. I did pick up the Kosas concealer, which I've been eyeing for a while. This is the Kosas Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. It's the shade 4.5N, which is light medium with subtle pink undertones. I might have gotten the shade wrong, but they honestly did not have a good selection in store, so I may have to exchange this one out for another shade if it doesn't end up working, because this is the shade that I thought I'd be, and they were really sold out of a lot, so I didn't really want to order it online. I wanted to just get it in my hands that day. I picked up another Sol de Janeiro mist, and this one is the number 68. Love the scent of this. These all smell like the Baccarat Rouge to me. The other one is specific, the red bottle I believe it is, or deeper pink. That one is like Baccarat Rouge for sure, but this one kind of still has that hint of it, and it's just gorgeous. This has pink grapefruit, Brazilian jasmine, and it just smells incredible. Like all year round, it smells so good. I get so many compliments when I wear it. Had to pick up another one, and I actually got a bigger size this time. Usually I get the smaller one, and the scent lingers all day. Picked up the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. I've heard good things on this, and this is just good for those days when I want to have just a little bit of coverage. I don't know if it's going to be a good match for me, so we'll have to try that out, but I thought it was really nice and looked really intriguing in the store. And shockingly, it wasn't that pricey. I think this one was about $20 only, plus the discount. So I honestly thought that was like pretty much a steal. Love that. This is what the packaging looks like. It's on a little dropper. I think it's gonna be really great, like I said, for those days when I don't wanna have a lot on. I saw this on the way out and just kind of added it impulsively to the cart, but really excited to give it a try. So those are all my items that I picked up from Sephora. So I'm super excited that I was able to shop this sale. I'll be for sure using them in upcoming videos, so look out for that. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. What did you pick up? Did you shop during the sale? Let me know down below in the comments. I think that is all for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.